Outside in an AMG, right outside. Two-turn baby girl, you know.
Okay, Trent.
Still with the dogs that ain't inside.
Okay, Trent.
All of these gotta watch the time, 'cause it's flying like I'm outside.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, we have Nightwing here sitting lovely as usual. So if you guys checked out the Camaro update video I did on this thing, I did hint that we're going to be doing a decent amount of stuff to this thing this year. So I did say we have a front end mod to this thing that I wanted to do. Probably from this title and the thumbnail picture, you guys will see what it is. But to show you how loyal I am to you guys, I've had this box for well over a month now, and I haven't even opened it because I was saving it for this video to show you guys. So without further ado, use our trusty blade here and open up our box, see what we got. So we pull this back here. You guys, if you don't know already, you guys can see that I have gotten, hold on, let's set this up here some kind of way. You guys can see I did get a Heritage Grille for Nightwing. So this grill right here is definitely gonna make the front end of this car way more aggressive, a lot more aggressive than it is right now. You guys, if you follow 5th-gen Camaros, you know that this is the grill to go with if you have a 2010 to a 2013 model. This is actually a GM OEM Heritage Grille. I picked this up from Fast Tech Performance. I wanted the OEM one because the aftermarket ones that you can get on eBay, Amazon, whatever you may get it from, they tend to crack. And for the amount of money that people charge for these things for a fake one, I'm not trying to keep doing this. So I did go with the OEM one. It runs you a little bit more money, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be worth it. So as of right now, you guys can see the grill is unpainted. It's in a raw plastic finish. So you guys already know what that means. We're gonna be taking this over to my guy Oray at Autobionix. Actually, I'm gonna be dropping it off at his house. So, and then he's gonna take it to the shop and paint it. And then once he's done with it, we're gonna be installing it all in this video. So don't think I'm gonna leave you guys hanging. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this thing fired up, and we can head over to his house and get this thing dropped off.
Much later.
All right, y'all. So today is finally the day that we're actually going to be getting this grill installed. I don't think I showed you guys But I did get the grill back painted. You can't see much because obviously it's black, and I do have it in the trunk of the car right now. So we're actually about to get this car off of jack stands. You guys will hopefully see either before this video or after this video why we have the car on jack stands right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this car off of jack stands because it is finished. The car does run and everything. And we're gonna go ahead and head on over to Oray's house. So we're gonna get this grill installed, and we're gonna be hopefully cleaning up these lights too. So let me go ahead and get this off, get this thing fired up, and I'll catch you guys at his house.